In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy GTA 5 on Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly acquire GTA 5 and play on your newer gen Xbox Series S. You will be able to play the new gen version of GTA 5 on both the Xbox Series S or X with a single purchase, and all that you have to do to access the game is to open the Microsoft Store. You will notice that I am doing this on the Xbox website on xbox.com, but you can also follow along directly on the console. Just open the Microsoft Store, and by using the search function, you will be able to look for GTA 5. So either type GTA 5 or Grand Theft Auto V, and you will be able to find it here. Now, on the list of results, you will find plenty of editions, so you have to look for a specific one for Xbox Series S or X. When you select any of these, usually you will get more details, and as you can see, this one has Xbox Series X or S featured in the title. Upon clicking on a specific edition, you will be able to confirm. So right now they have 3 editions: Xbox Series X or S for $19.99, which only gives you online. They have GTA 5 for Xbox Series X or S for $39.99. And finally, they have GTA 5 for both Xbox One and Xbox Series X or S. And this one is on sale. Off sale, it is going to be $59.99, but right now it is cheaper to get this edition. So this one is going to give you the full experience, including online, and you will be able to play it on both the Xbox One and Xbox Series X or S. If you are watching this video in the future and this sale has gone away, then you might want to consider only getting GTA 5 for the Xbox Series X or S and save a little bit of money. But if it is on sale, then just get this one instead. You can browse through other editions of the game, which might include cards with in-game money, but for this video, I'm just going to showcase this one. So just click buy. You will be able to add a new payment method to your console or PC and then get this process done. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy GTA 5 on Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.